and stuff. So we played this relatively simple song called "Snakes and Waterfalls" by Nick Shoulders, and this is kind of like our anthem. It's basically our thing that started this whole idea.
Yeah. All right.
It is.
All right. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Porch lights on distant ridges dark, rock pine valleys singing with every bark, like water bottom to windblown timber tall. It's my land, snakes and waterfalls. 16 score and 7 years my blood's called home. All the crimson clay in the valleys that I roam. This place may be cursed after all, but I'm bound, snakes and waterfalls. And I know that when a distance should be forming, oh how my poor heart aches, every hollow that I forsake. I've been trying to run since I could crawl, but I'm bound, snakes and waterfalls. And I know that when the distant shores before me, oh how my poor heart aches for every hollow that I forsake. Trying to run since I could crawl, but I'm bound, snakes and waterfalls.